When it comes to surveillance camera, you might think of expensive yet complicated installation. On my side here is the Tapo C200 from TP-Link. This is a pan-tilt home security Wi-Fi cameras, and thanks to TP-Link Malaysia for sending this over for us to do a review. It is an IP home security Wi-Fi cameras that does pan and tilt. This camera can record up to 1080p Full HD resolution as well as night view recording. The camera can be placed at any location that you want to monitor and as well as ceiling mount. It comes with a bracket, some screw and guide placed for easy installation. Configuration will only take around 5 minutes. First, download the TP-Link Tapo app from Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Register an account if you haven't done so. Follow the on-screen instruction including connecting to your Wi-Fi, enable few of the access permission, and lastly set where you'll be placing the cameras. The camera can be accessed remotely at anywhere of the world as long as the cameras are connected to the internet. Yes, you can connect up to 32 cameras. The Tapo C200 has motion detection where it will send notification instantly when suspicious activity detected. The recording times and motion detection can be scheduled to your preference. With the live feed, the Tapo C200 features two-way audio where you can listen and talk back remotely.
Come down and eat cookies.
If you need some privacy, there's also a privacy mode that will stop recording with just a tap. The Tapo C200 doesn't require any subscription fees where all the recording will be stored locally on the camera memory card. It supports up to 128GB micro SD card which can record up to 16 days before it starts erasing the earlier footages. Here are some locations that I placed the Tapo C200. The Tapo C200 is an accessible home security IP camera that you can purchase for under Rm150 ringgit. No complicated installation, full HD recordings, motion detection, night mode, and importantly, it's easy to set up. For more information about the TP-Link Tapo C200, you can click the link in the description box below. Hope you like this video. To give us a thumbs up, subscribe to YouTube channels, and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we upload new videos. Thank you for watching. My name is Joshua Wong. See you guys soon.